Carrie with Can Concoctions here, back to make more cold process. So today I'm making a fragrance with fresh cut grass, which smells exactly. I am so shocked that it smells exactly like fresh cut grass. From Southern Sensations, which I believe is crafter's choice. At least I'm hoping so, because it's not supposed to do anything funky like this color at all. I'm all set to go here. I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use one color and I'm going to use white. So the first color I'm going to use is this hunter green color with a little bit of this bright green that's mixed into it, just to get it a little greener. I am doing football-ish themed soap. This was a request from a coworker that I do colors in Michigan State University. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing dark green and white. And probably not going to pipe the top, but we'll see when we get to that point. But I'm all set and ready to go here, so I'm going to pour in my lye water and get to soaping. Since I am using white, I'm going to put my stick blender to the side for a moment. Going to do a quick stir. I'm going to pour some of this off into, for my white. I'm going to leave my white uncolored, or rather unscented, and uncolored for the moment, because I want my white to stay as fluid as possible. Because I'm not sure what this fragrance oil is going to do, I'm going to add it to my batch after I add my colorant. And this is just that mixture of mica. This is not as dark as I wanted it to be. I think I might add some more mica. Now, because this is a floor, it definitely has grassy notes in it, and since it does have that, I am actually going to probably have to blender it again, but I hope not. Add all of my fragrance. It looks like it's discolored the green a little bit, but I think in the end result it will be, it'll brighten back up. You know, green tends to morph while you're using it, and then after you've soaked with it, it goes back to, or rather after it sits, it goes back to the green color. Alright, so there's that part. My white's still pretty fluid, which is good. I'm gonna have to clean off my... Alright, that should be good. So here's my white. Whoops. And here's just titanium dioxide mixed in my oils. I'm gonna give it a quick mix first before I blend it. Gonna stick blend it to get it really white. Everything is still super fluid, so that's exactly what I want. Here's my mold, just one of my regular molds. Pour my green in. Alright. Pour some of my white in. Back to my green. Some more white. More green. And there's that for the top. I got a new hanger tool. This one came off of Etsy. I'm sure, I don't remember the exact name off the top of my head of the seller, but it is a plastic coated wire, which is pretty cool. And I will leave a link in the description box below. Almost everything I use is in the description box below. Alright. pour the rest of my green on top. And the rest of my white. There's not much here. I'm just going to swirl the top a little bit, but I'm also going to texture it since I am not going to add piping to this. Alright, I'm going to let this set up. I'm going to bang it down first, then I'm going to let it set up a little bit. And then I will bring you back when I texture it. Okay, I think it's set up enough for me to texture the top of it, so I'm just going to run a fork along the edge. And just because I can't leave well enough alone, I have some sea salt here and I'm just going to stick that along one edge. A little bit more. It's a little too much. Alright, let me raise this up so you can get a better look at the top of it. And I'll see you when it's ready to cut. Alright guys, I'm back to cut the MSU soap. I turned the perfect shade of green. Because of the salt, I'm going to cut on its side, and I'm all ready to start cutting. Bunch of glistener nervers. My camera wants to focus. There we go. I kind of like that crackly look, to be honest with you. And this is the last part. And the cut end, which will make a nice sample. And that's the fresh cut grass soap for Michigan State University. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I am soaping with a little bit of a water discount. I've not done that before. Normally I was soaping at 38% water, and now I am soaping at 35% water. As I get more and more used to this, I will continue to lower my water discount as I get better.